Meowdy, all you cool cats out there, and welcome back to another episode of Kitty's Toy Box, the show where you never know what's gonna come meout of the box. Now, last time I did one of these kinds of videos, it got a pretty good response, so we're gonna do it again. Today's toy is Robot, another Dollar Tree gem. Just robot. Transform your robot. Yeah, I had this for a while and I was waiting for the right moment to do it. Very helpful instructions there. Really gives you a sense of everything you have to do to turn that into that. Well, let's crack it open and see if it doesn't explode in my hands whilst attempting to... Oh, it's cheap. It is cheap. Just the feel. Everyone's favorite. Everyone really loves the visible screws, right there. All the kids love that. It really adds to the authenticity of the robot. Is that supposed to be a face? little dangly head here. Okay, well, let's... Wow, okay. So I guess this is robot form. I guess he's already in robot form, which is... He looks so weird. He's kind of cool, though. I'm not gonna lie. I do kind of like it. I kind of like it, but let's see if we can actually transform him though. So I assume that would go there. Okay, all right, it goes well together. Fits nicely. Okay. Oh, oh. He's clearly some kind of tank, but wait a minute. It's supposed to be the bottom. Oh, this is the bottom. Oh. Oh, it's falling apart already. Come on, I had faith in you. You were doing okay. Okay, turn that around. Oh, there we go. No, you know what? It even has, I don't know if you can see it, but it actually does have, oh no, are those functioning wheels? No, they're not functioning wheels. Dang it, they really, if you look, they really do look like they were functioning wheels. If these were functioning wheels, this would have been a 10 out of 10. Now, I know that might seem like a stretch, but I was really expecting this to just blow up right on my hand. But look at that. That's pretty cool. Subscribe or else. Okay, well, you know, I like it. I actually like it. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay. I recommend it. That's a good one. I really like it. You get a pass. Ding! And if you like what you see and you want to see more of this kind of thing here, subscribe and like the video to see what comes next. Out of the toy box. Wait, no, it would kind of be like...